Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to use your Canva application or the Canva website. So I'll just go to my browser and I type Canva. So there is Canva. Canva is the graphic design company. So this is Canva. So you click on the website, open it up. Okay, all right. Now this is the home page of Canva. The home page of Canva. All right, so I want us to look at some buttons. Like down here you see home is blue highlighted, means this is the home page. So this is a tutorial on Canva of your smartphone. Canva can be used on your PC or anything, any gadget. All right, so when you want to see your projects, if you've been working with Canva, you click on projects and you see your project. So these are my projects, my designs, my videos that I've been doing with Canva. And when you click on the menu button, you're going to see your account. So you have to sign in to Canva as a personal account. All right, and you just see some options. You have options for reward, to create a team. So basically Canva, especially when you go pro, using the pro version of Canva, it's a lot of things you'll be able to do. All right, so let's go to the home button and get a start. Now when you're using a laptop, this top part of your screen is going to be displayed. Everything will be displayed, but since this is a phone, you won't see everything. So Canva has templates for almost everything you want to design, and Canva is not just for designing graphics like flyers, posters and logos. No. Canva can use Canva to do video presentations. You can use Canva to do a lot. For example, these are mobile video presentations, 16:9. That is a YouTube preference, and you have poster. So if you want any sample design, you can search. Let's say for example wedding cards. You search wedding cards in the Canva platform. You're searching in the Canva platform and Canva will show you. So basically you realize that the templates on Canva are just to give you your size. Okay, you can go there and edit. For example, these are pro templates. Okay, you cannot edit these ones unless you go pro, but lots of things are free. And if you want to create a new design, a new wedding card, you click on create blank. So when you click on that, you have a blank page and you start creating. All right, and the thing is they've already arranged the size for you. You don't get to resize your design page before you do it. Okay, so let's go back to home. All right, now this is my home page. If I want to do a social media stuff, I'll click there. Social media posts. You want to see your social media, you see samples, you see Instagram posts, quick create. So you can just click on them. You see this is popular. You can go to Instagram. You see, you click on any of them, you will see the design. These are samples, Instagram samples. So there are a lot of things. Facebook, a lot. So sample presentations, click on presentations. You want sample videos, click on videos. See, and you have marketing, office. So if I click on video, I'll see a lot of videos that are done. You can see videos on flyers with videos playing on them. They're just a lot. And when you click on any of them, you get to see the design. Okay, you get to see the design, and then you can edit it. And if you want to play the video, you click here and play it. But before we get there, I want to show you guys how to bring in elements and create a design in Canva. Okay, now this is your home page. When you sign in, this is your home page, and Canva usually updates a lot. At times the application might be disturbing, but the website always works. If the application is disturbing your phone, uninstall it and use the website only. Okay, so if you want to create a design in Canva, be it poster, video, anything from scratch, you start by clicking the plus button. So let's click on the plus button, and then now you see some suggestions for you. Some suggestions have been made: a mobile video presentation, poster, Instagram post, logo, your story, A4 document, card history, blah blah blah, lots of things. Okay, so what you're going to do is, from scratch, you take custom size. Now you decide the size of your page. Like I can say 4,000 by 4,000, 3,000 by 3,000. Now you need to know what you want to design and the size. Okay, and you get to choose your units of measurement in millimeter, centimeter. But this is actually in pixels. The default unit of measurement is in pixels. So let me say 3,000 pixels for width and 3,000 pixels for height. Okay, and that's our page. I will set it, and I click on create new design. Okay, so I click on create new design. Okay, now when you click on create new design, this is what will happen. Your page will show up, and templates will show up for you to choose any of the templates with that same size will show up, so you can choose to edit. But this is not really what you want to do. You want to create your own design from scratch in Canva. Here you have elements, uploads, photos, text. Now let me take this off. Now when this happens, you click back a little, just once. Sorry, let's get back to creating that. Let me check 300 by 300. Okay, this is my page, so I'm going to bring this down. When it comes up, you just click here and you can drag it down, bring it down to see your page. This is your design workspace. Okay, this white square here, the size you have decided to work on, that is it. Now for you to bring in elements in your design to start designing, you click on the plus sign here. So when I click on plus, what do I want to bring up? If I want to bring up a template to edit, I click on any of these templates, or I can search the template that I want or the frame that I want. I can say, and let me say a template like let me say flyers. Okay, and you will see some samples. You see church flyer, you see some samples. You can click on it and edit it. When I click on this one, like the Sunday flyer, this one is actually a pro. Okay, I didn't see it. This is pro is attached to it. I cannot edit that one. Like if I click on the other one below, the Christmas flyer, it's going to appear there, and I can actually edit it. So all I want to do is I'll delete everything, I'll undo everything actually, and we'll go back here. So I click on the plus sign to bring in elements in your Canva. You click on elements in your Canva workspace. Now elements have like almost anything you want. It consists of shapes, arrow, frame, square, anything. Canva has elements you need, unless you have specific elements you want to use in one of your design. Canva have elements like you want an icon for anything, location icon, calendar icon, call icon, WhatsApp icon. You just need to search it. You just need to come here because it's a website and it's online. You want a line, you just search it. Say example WhatsApp icon. Let's say you've designed something and you want to put your WhatsApp icon to write your WhatsApp number. You see, so you will see WhatsApp icons. Okay, so and you can just click on any of them and you appear on your design. That's how you bring an element. If you want a shape, click on the plus sign, click on elements. Elements is highlighted already. You go to shapes and even type circle, anything. So these are the shapes. You click on any of the shapes and they will appear. Okay, they'll appear on your Canva. You want a photo, you just type photo, or say pictures. It's probably better I say photo, because this one will give you that. They say photos, like photos, you search photos, see, that's what you see pictures that you can use. You can even be specific. Picture of a black man, you can be specific. All right, so now that those are elements. Sorry, you cannot search a picture of a black man here. The elements, no, not there, because there's a place for photos down here. There's a place for photos down here. Okay, right, so let's go to the next button. Is upload. Upload is where you get to bring something from your phone into your Canva website, so use it for your design. This design was done with Pixel app, these designs, and these are elements. I had to remove the background and bring it in my Canva to do another editing here, to do some animations on them. So to upload something from your phone, you click on uploads down here. You click on uploads, and when you do that, you can, you click on upload. You have this. If you have been uploading pictures on Canva, you see all the pictures here. If you haven't and you want a particular picture from your phone, you click on upload media. Okay, and when you click on upload media, you click on your device, or from Facebook, wherever you want the media, from Google Photos, and you choose file. So these are actually movies. I can go to my camera, you see, and I can take a picture. Let me take like this picture. I click on the picture will upload here. You see, now this is the picture. Oh sorry, that's a video. Images. So I click on images, I'll upload. Here I go to, these are videos. So if you want to upload a picture, you make sure, there's a mistake I did here. No, so you make sure that this image is highlighted. You want to upload an image. If you want to upload a video to Canva, make sure this is highlighted. If it's an audio, like a sound, music, this one should be highlighted. Okay, so when I click here, it means I want to upload a video. I just uploaded a video. It's currently uploading. This is it. Now if I want a sound, like a song, to use it behind my design, I click on audio, and then I click on upload, and I locate the song in my file manager. Go to my device, my files, and I locate the song wherever it is. Okay, so that is how you upload media in Canva. All right, so images, upload. Let me see, you can go to Google Photos or anything. Okay, so that is it. So let's go back to uploads. You can go to your device, go here, so you see these are some videos. I click up here, so you realize that when you go to your device, this is the last folder that I opened. I was trying to upload videos, that's why you're seeing this here. So you can click there, these three lines. So you go to your gallery down here, and you see pictures and everything. You can go to your albums and be more specific with what you want. So I can upload this picture of this man. Yeah, so I'll just select it and I tick it. I click on good. So the image will be uploaded here. That's how an image is being uploaded in Canva. Okay, now to upload, bring in any element, videos, picture, audio. This is where you click on uploads. Okay, you're clicking on uploads and you take it from your phone. Now to use Canva photos from Canva online, you click on photos. So these are pictures from Canva. Okay, you don't search pictures when element is highlighted, you search it when photos. You highlight photos to search for pictures. Now you can search for a picture. For example, I can say black man, and they will show me pictures of black men that I can use for free, you see, and you see some are for pro. Okay, so you can actually get a picture from Google, download it, and then upload it from your phone to your Canva website or your application. Okay, now let's get back to it. So this is how you use Canva elements. Now when you want to write on your design, the next thing is text to write on your design. So when you click on text, you see some animated text pop up, and the first thing you have a heading, a subheading, and the body text. Okay, so whichever one you want to use, you can click on heading, you appear on your design, and you can click on edit and you type it. Hello. Okay, now this is it. For me to move my element, I touch it and I click on this small button here. This is like a cross to move it. You want to move my shape, you just touch your shape and you move it. The text, you have to touch on top of the text, or you click on this small cross here. Okay, now let's look at the editing options for your elements. It goes for text and for pictures, are the same. Now the first button here, these are your editing options for if you apply an element in your design. So you have edit, where it means you want to control, like you want to change the text in the letter, or you double tap on it and you can change it. Okay, you can delete something and write something else. Okay, now the next button, remember now when you touch your background, so let me just deal with this. When you touch your background, the blue line surrounding you, showing you that it's your background that you want to work on. Means you can replace the background with something else, maybe a picture. You can change the color of the background here, the background. And then if you want to animate the background, you can animate it here. There's even a spot to make a comment, and you can lock the background here. Okay, and you have some more other options, copy and paste and all that. All right, so let's get back to the background. Let me unlock my background. Okay, now let's get back to it. For you to edit your text or your shape, highlight it. That is it, is highlighted. So when you highlight it, the first button is edit, the second one is to delete it, and then to duplicate it, you click on duplicate. It's going to multiply. You have to have two of them, and you can click on the other one and you shift it. Canva duplicates at the same position. So to change your font style, you click on font, the font size. To change the font color, you click here. So if I click on font, I can use another font that I want. Okay, Britannia, can use another font. Some fonts are pro, so the font size is simply just for you to control the size of your font. Okay, and the next is color. So you can choose the color. Let me highlight the other big text. You can change the color, or you click here to look at more colors, where you yourself get to control your color with these two workspace, this space and this space. Okay, you can make this one red, and you want the red, you decide how dark you want the red to be, how white, and how pure red you want it to be here, and then you apply it to your text. Okay, when you're done, you touch your background. Now format is all about you deciding whether, remember, your text should be highlighted. You want it bold, you want it to be italics, you want it underlined, how you want it capitalized or small letters. And then you also, here you get to choose if you want it to be left aligned or in the center. You cannot see this one unless I use a body text for these options. Okay, I can use a body text. For example, let me import a body text. Let me type some rubbish. Okay, there's already something there. So let's go to format. Now left align, that's the meaning of left align. Okay, all start at the left, center align. This one is bulletin, shouldn't have gone there yet. So this is it, and you have to make it like block from now. This is another way of bulletin, giving in numbers. So this one is you giving numbers. You can type several sentences and then you bullet them or you number them. Here, bullet or number. This is bulleting, this is numbering. Okay, that's all for format. Now, spacing is about you working the line space between your text. Okay, line spacing between your text. This is letter spacing and this is a line space for text. Okay, that is just it. Okay, now you go to effects. Effects are basically you adding a shadow, shift, you want to have a shape, you can curve it like that. So that's all for effect. Now animate is something that you choose how you want your thing. Let's say you're doing like a little video, you can click on no animation. Currently there's no animation, or you can click on block. That block will pass and it animates the text. You can click on typewriter where each of the text will be writing on its own. But these are things that are pretty good for videos. You can do this on some flyers too. Okay, you can click on ascend like that, bounce. So you just play with the animation. You have basic and you have basic animation, script writer. Some of the animations are just they are not for free. Okay, but that's also you animating your text. And then position is you determining where you want each element to be. You can want an element to be on top of another element. Like for right now, this shape is on top of this WhatsApp icon. So if I highlight the shape and I go to my position button, I can move it backwards. Okay, yeah. Now this text, hello text, is on top of both the WhatsApp icon and the shape. Now if I move it backwards, it will be behind the WhatsApp icon but not behind the shape. But if I take it to the bottom, it comes down. This is now moving position. You understand? So don't get this wrong. Now, and it is still behind the WhatsApp icon but not behind the shape. Now if I take it backward again, it's going to go behind the circle. So it moves behind each element, backwards and forward. Either you make something in front of each one element or behind it. Doesn't go straight to the back. Okay, so I can bring it back forward on top of the circle. Now on top of the circle and the WhatsApp icon. Now top is for you to just, these are align to page section is basically for you to easily position your element. So you can put it in the middle left. At a particular point you can decide to be in the middle left, or you can decide it to be center left, or sorry, center middle, or you can say bottom left like that. So you see, this is the page alignment and this is where you want to set. So you can say top and right. Right, so that is off position. These same things apply for pictures and everything I'm showing you guys right now. All right, so we have animate. We've done. Have we done transparency? No. Transparency is opacity. Underneath transparency is basically opacity. You can decide how visible you want an element to be by using transparency. You can reduce it to your taste, the way you want it to be. So that's transparency. Position, we've done position button. Notch is another way of position, but it has more precision because you'll be moving an element. Let's say I'm clicking down. Let's say you're moving an element with your finger and there's a particular spot, or the element is too small, you want to fit there. You'll be moving it down gradually by tapping on a particular spot. I don't know if you can see that hello on the line moving, but it's moving gradually. Okay, that is how you use notch. And comment is for you to like add a comment to an element. You see, I just wrote a comment to this. Okay, that's us all for comment. Somebody can reply, especially when you guys are doing a group work, but it's mostly for people using Canva Pro. Okay, link is probably you trying to, especially teamwork on Canva. where you get to have a link for a particular thing you want to attach to your design. Then you want it to be active. Okay, now lock is to lock an element, meaning let's say you're working with an element and there are so many elements on your design and you're scared that you don't want to, like maybe you want to touch one element, you're mistakenly touching another one, you're highlighting the next one. So you can lock one to make sure that when you touch it, it doesn't get highlighted or it doesn't shift it from its position, you don't display it. Okay, so those are the 18 options in Canva. All of these apply for any other element you bring in your workspace. So more is, you see more, bring to front, bring to back, backward, send to back. Send to back, you're going to send it to be the last. Okay, let's say there are 3 layers. We have the WhatsApp icon, we have the shape, and we have the red. So when I click send to back, the WhatsApp, the hello, the writing is going to be the last thing to the back. Now I can bring forward, you can bring to front, it comes straight to the front. But forward and backward, you just move on top of one layer or one element or behind one element. You can equally delete as well. You can equally delete here. So those are the way you edit elements in Canva. Now when you are done with a design on Canva, let's look at these buttons up here. This is your undo button. You made a mistake, you can undo it. And then let's look at the next button. These 3 dots is for you to choose. You can see view all comments. If you have some comments that you want to see, you can create a new design from here if you want. Okay, now this button here is basically for Canva Pro. If you want to have a free trial, you can click on it and get there. And this one, this is the play button, especially when you have a video element on your design. You click on it and you get to play the video to see how it looks like. The whole and whatever you've animated on your design will play. Like for example, if I click on it, I think we applied an animation to one of the text here. This is the design. So this is no longer a flyer, it's now a video. You can put in a sound behind it. See, I can play it now. This is what we've done so far, trying to show you an example. And you can click on the download button here to download it. You can download the video, or so basically we've just designed a crazy video just to explain you how the elements work. And so when you're done designing, you click on this button and then you click on download. Now they told me already an MP4 suggested, so I will click. You can, to see more options, you get to click on the arrow here. You see PNG, JPG, PDF format. So if you're a picture, you know what you want to have, a short clip, the GIF, you can choose it. So the one that is ticked is the suggested one, MP4. So this is what happens when you want to download something. Click on download. Canva will prepare your design for you. So this is a crazy design we just did, and this is an MP4 video because we animated that text, so it's a video. It's not just a design, it's not just a flyer or poster, it's a video. So I have it saved in my gallery right now. I can go check it out. All right, so I want us to check some of my designs. So basically that's all. Remember to add an element, you come here, you want to add a text, whatever I want to do. So on your background, we didn't talk of background, we didn't talk of videos. Anyway, video elements are Canva videos, where you get to add Canva videos. Okay, Canva videos, you can take a video from Canva and you use it. And then you have backgrounds, where you can choose any background to use it on your design. So I click on a background, now it's not part of my design, so you click on it. You have embed, YouTube, create an icon. Click on an icon below to view an example. You see, so you can click on YouTube, you embed in the design. That is just it. So you have Canva designs for you. So this is actually something you want to embed, you are attaching this video to that design, but we don't need that, so I'll delete it. Okay, definitely we don't need that. Okay, so that is all for Canva, how to use Canva elements. So we're having some exercises and you guys are going to have more experience on this Canva exercise, on how to play with Canva. One element that is very important that I didn't show, let me get back to it, is frames. So when you go to your element, click on element, plus sign, element, you search frames. Canva have frames, Canva have shapes, Canva have grids. Now there are frames for almost every shape. These are video holders. These things are video holders. You can put them on your design. You pick a video and fit it in it. Okay, when you scroll all through, you see letters. Any of these things you put on your design, you can put a video. If you put this one, you'll be putting a video, will be playing despite those lines. You see the video playing inside those lines. So whatever you see here, letter, if you put a letter, you'll be able to put a video in that letter. That's the work of a frame too. They are video holders. So when I click on, let me say B or I, so that's why you can see a text where someone writes and there's a video playing in it. So this is the B frame. So let me click on my plus sign, go to my videos. They can also hold pictures and videos, and then I can take the video of this man. This is a man playing. Now I'll hold it, like I pressed it and long press it, and I put it inside. I go towards the B and I put it inside. So you see the video will now be in that letter B. Okay, now if I'm giving my background a black color to make this thing very visible for you guys, like that. So when I click on the play button, there will be somebody playing in the letter B. Okay, so this is how you use Canva. You can write your name and you put a video inside all of them, so all the letters. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm hoping you get to use Canva for a lot of things, not just for designing flyers and posters. Okay, guys, before I forget, let's check the video we made that we saved in my gallery. So I'm going to go to my gallery, and you see this is the video right here. So I'm click on the video and play it. So that's the video we made, right? So that's all for Canva. Downloading anything is easy. Just Canva is an online platform for designing and creating videos. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.